We might have just gotten our first official look at Samsung's long-rumored tri-folding smartphone, but that's not the only thing stirring excitement right now. Believe it or not, talk has already shifted towards the Galaxy Z Fold 8, and if these early reports are anything to go by, it might just be the dream foldable we've all been asking for. Now, the current Galaxy Z Fold 7 is no slouch. It's sleek, refined, and hands down the most polished foldable Samsung has ever made, and currently the best in the market. But it's not perfect. Certain areas like battery life and camera performance, to name a few, still needs to be improved, and it looks like Samsung might be fixing most, if not all of those next year. According to a new report from DealSite, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 could be getting a serious upgrade in the battery department. The device could get a 5000 mAh cell up from the 4400 mAh inside the Fold 7. That's a pretty big leap, and something users have been asking for since the early Fold generations. However, it'll be interesting to see how Samsung pulls this off though, considering how incredibly slim the Fold 7 already is. Maybe the company has found new ways to optimize internal space, or perhaps this is the year Samsung finally adopts silicon carbon battery, which has been rumored for a while now. Moving on, Samsung is said to use laser drilling metal plate technology on the Fold 8. This technique is designed to make the infamous foldable crease completely disappear, which is another improvement users have long been asking for. Interestingly, the same technology is rumored to be used by Apple for its first foldable iPhone, which is expected to arrive in 2026. Apparently, this technology allows the phone to disperse the stress generated by bending the screen, resulting in a crease-free display, and according to Ming-Chi Kuo, this new component will be supplied to both Apple and Samsung by the South Korean firm Fine M-Tech. The improvements doesn't end there. Another major change coming to the Z Fold 8 could be the return of the S Pen. Samsung first added stylus support with the Galaxy Z Fold 3 back in 2021, but later dropped it in the Fold 7 to make the phone slimmer. Now, rumor has it that Samsung's engineers have found a way to bring it back. According to a report from South Korean outlet The Elec, Samsung is developing a thinner digitizer, and if there's strong demand from consumers, the company would use it on the Fold 8. Samsung's current S Pen technology uses electromagnetic resonance (EMR), but a stylus can also be based on the active electrostatic solution (AES) technology that Apple uses for iPads. While an EMR-based stylus doesn't require charging, it is usually thin and doesn't offer much grip. A stylus based on the AES technology needs to be charged every few days, but offers better grip and doesn't need a separate digitizer. But like I said, it all depends on the demand for a stylus, and we could get it back on the Fold 8. Industry insiders say Samsung is very aware that Apple's foldable entry is coming soon, so the company is preparing to go all out on the Fold 8 with a bigger battery, improved display tech, and the potential comeback of the S Pen to remain on top of the foldable category. Of course, we're still a long shot away from the Galaxy Z Fold 8, which is why you should subscribe to the channel to stay updated with every new development about the phone. Also, don't forget to turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.